Okay, here we go. Welcome everybody, it's me, Bobby D. Here we are at Lakeside Raceway, and I just decided just seconds ago that it's gonna be a Johnny Lightning Day. Yay for Johnny. Go Johnny, go. So the trucks are fast trucks, but they're not the trucks that I hear about. So I went and found one of the trucks that I actually hear about, and it was not easy to get because it only exists in this this 5-pack. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna race all these cars against this. Brand spanking new Racer's Edge wheels. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to crack them. Okay, there they are. This was the greatest package ever. No wires, no rubber bands, none of this crap. I've seen a couple of packages similar to the ones, you know, 5-pack like this, but there's one or two other packs of Johnnies that's packed just like this, and those are the ones with racing wheels, just like all of these. Because these are kind of like from the spoilers set, I think. This is the Ford. Oh, yeah, great. Look at, oh, there's the nice battery. Oh, quiet. Front axle's nice. Oh, let's look at what this thing is. I don't think the box says really what's in here. Some streamliner thing. Look at this. Pretty narrow right here. It's a roller. Okay, new design on this thing. Look at that real high bumper. Side pipes. We're gonna weigh this one. Yeah. Nice tail markers, real good rear end on that thing. Good looking interior. Let's see if the hood will open. Yeah. Not today. $49.8. Oh dear. That's a problem. Crap. Let's take a look at this Cougar. Just a Cougar? No. That's a Dodge. Like that green. There we go. Ugh. 1. Jeez. Really got my hopes up for this Firebird. That's a good looking car right there. Wow. Man. Great paint job. Oh, jeez. Talk too soon. Oh, well. There's 1, 2. Yeah. Nice. All right, here's the pickup truck. My God. 55.5. Boom. Like how that's filled in. That's going to add a lot of weight right there. Well, what's the purple Silverado weigh? 72. What a great looking truck. I love this orange. SS stripes. Paint job is good on this one. Come on. That wheel isn't exactly round, is it? Okay, there they are. Track's right over here. Let's go race. Okay, here they are. You got the Torino in lane 1. You got the Topper in lane 2. Trans Am in lane 3. Dodge Truck lane 4. Dodge Demon in lane 5. And Camaro, Custom Camaro, lane 6. Track's clear. Ready, set, go. Winner lane 1. That's the Ford. Click the TA. What about the Torino in lane 1?
That one?
Yeah.
That was my second choice.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go. I put the pickup in lane 4 and the Torino in lane 3. Ready, set, go.
Winner, lane 3.
Ford Torino. Talladega, I believe. Spoilers. It's a winner. Okay, there they are. Let's talk about the, oh my God, disappointment. Whatever happened to this thing? What a piece of junk. Sure is pretty. It's got a really weird front end on it. I don't even know if black ice can help these things. I don't know if I want to. It's really nice and wide. I'm going to focus on this one and this one. Firebird. Firebird may be maxed out. That wheel is not round. These two guys. Up against the water and power. Let's go. Okay. Torino in lane 4. Ready, set, go. Torino by the skin of his teeth. time. Swap lanes. Ready, set, go. Ooh. See, something's up with this Torino. Sometimes it runs good and sometimes it doesn't. I don't get it. All right, let's try it again. Ready, set, go. That's what I expected. Van's just warming up. I think it's about time to open speed shop. Whoa. Clean some axles, maybe. These wheels are flopping all over the place. Jeez. Well, that was a negative. I'm going to take a break and see what's going on. Okay, so those cars, everything had something wrong with them. The fast cars, the Talladega, the rear wheels are rubbing on the rear wheel hub. The pickup truck has got a tire that's out around and it's just wobbling all over the place. Maybe the Demon has got a chance. I just put some ice on it. It's drying. I'll try it in a little while. But some more Johnny Lightning. Johnny Lightning round Cadillacs. Hell yeah. Escalade and Eldorado. Oh, this Eldorado is really long. And it's got an amazing paint job. I want to save all of this stuff. I need to weigh that. Just do it right now. Oh, it's in my pocket. We'll do that later. Look at that paint job and those deep dish rims. Blackout headlights. Wow. Man, I hope this is... Not bad. Freaking sled. Oh, it's got the same rims as on the pickup truck, the extended cab Silverado. Detail is off the hook. Except, oh my God, there's no side mirrors. Really? Got side mirrors on the Eldo. What a shitty paint job. Jeez. Nothing yet. Let's see what that Eldo does raw. Okay, Eldo in lane 3. Escalade, lane 4. Ready, set, go! Okay, I can't really believe what I just saw. Let's try that again. Ready, set, go. Jeez. Escalade. Ready. Yes. Okay. Set. Go. Ooh. Maybe with some juice. Show you my tools. This one. For regular axles. I just used it on the Escalade. Escalade had a front wheel that was pushed up. Straighten that right out. Now these two in here, there's a big one and a small one, are cut for fine axles. Like what's on the new list. And I'm pretty sure GHOs. Very, very small. Very hard to find. But I got this all straightened out. See, that front axle's much better. Still not perfect, but I didn't want to mess with it too much. It's touching. It's not pushed up in. So, while that's curing, got a little race off over here. He's still not glued together. He's got some added weight. He's around 70, 75 grams. He's pretty much straight up. Ready, set, go. Okay. Swap lanes. GNX faster than ever versus the pink faster than ever 16. Ready, set, go. Winner lane 3. Yeah. Okay, winner lane 3. This is the part of the show I need to bust this out. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Oh, 51. Not bad. GNX 57. Rescue Ranger Hybrid 73. $89. These two are next. Okay, let's finish this up. Ranger was in lane 3. Caddy was in lane 4. Ready, set, go. Smoked it. No, that's not where we were at. Ready, set, go.
Winner, lane 4.
That was pretty. That was definitive. This is not good. Ready, set, go. Spokes him that time.
Lane 4.
No, that was down here. Somebody's missing. Oh, the dagger's over here. Ready, set, go.
Winner, lane 4.
Winner, lane 4. Ready, set. Oh, track hazard. Let's get this thing quick for another earthquake. Ready, set, go. Dagger.
Winner, lane 4.
Wow. Dagger goes to lane 3. Ready, set, go. Even with a biff, I saw that.
Lane 4.
What the hell was that? Con. Con versus the Ranger. Ready, set, go. Yeah.
Winner, lane 4.
That's all he gets. That's all he gets. Kind of goes back in his bag. This guy right here. I want to see him beat the purple. I don't think that's going to happen. It better. Purple's on the skids. He just got juiced up too. He's better than he's ever been. Ready, set, go. Yeah. Nice. See how he does against Hans. Hans been in the wheel for a long time. Magenta. Yeah. That's inner wheel. The gatekeeper to the inner wheel is Big Daddy. Ready, set, go. Wow, look at that. With a jump. Wants to go. really wants to go. Passes him.
Lane 4.
Wow. Caddy versus caddy. Black and white. Ready, set, go. Passes him. Oh! The Mauler falls. We're at the point where he needs a name. We're straight. I'm not going to go with that one. Winner lane 3. Not much more to go. Ready, set, go. Aha! Tonto. Tonto with a stop. Come on. Come on, caddy. Passes him. Okay, that's a good place to be. Wow. Right there. Wow. How's the green one doing? Just for giggles. He's a new gatekeeper. Wow. Cattails in the way. Ready, set, go. Okay, on that note, this is trash too. Man, that Cadillac is super fast. Whoa, super fast. I can't resist one more time while he's out. It's slippery. He's got this finish on it. It's so just slippery. Wants to jump out of my hand. Ready, set, go. Oh. Okay. That's it. I'm done. Gonna put that right there. Con goes back in his home. Ranger is screaming fast. My work here is done. Cool. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and health, and God bless you all. I am out of here. Good night.